These are the notes for the ready of section 5.7. In this section of the homework, you're going to be asked to determine if a set of numbers represents the sides of a right triangle. So the example we're going to look at are, these numbers represent the sides of a right triangle? 5, 12, and 13. So you'll have to remember that we know that the sides of a right triangle have a particular relationship called the Pythagorean Theorem. And there are lots of different ways that people write the Pythagorean theorem. For our purposes, I'm going to use some language that will make it much easier to understand what you're going to actually do with these numbers. And so I'm going to say that we have the shortest leg squared plus the middle leg squared is going to equal the longest leg squared. So basically the deal is that you have to make sure that the biggest number is what ends up alone on the other side of the equal sign. So in this case, the shortest leg, the smallest number here is 5. So I have 5 squared plus the middle leg, the middle length is 12. 12 squared equals, and the longest leg, 13 squared. I simplify this, 25 plus 144 equals, and 13 squared is 169. Simplify again, and I have 169 equals 169. This is true. 169 does indeed equal 169. So 5, 12, 13 do make the legs of a right triangle. If you didn't get a true statement, if you got that 169 does not equal 170, then that would not be a right triangle. That's the only difference.